Understanding the payback period concept. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating financial term called the payback period. This concept is crucial in business and finance, but it's also interesting for anyone who wants to understand how investments work. So, let's dive in and learn about the payback period together. The payback period is a financial metric used to determine how long it takes for an investment to pay back its initial cost. In simpler terms, it's the time it takes for an investor to recover their investment. This concept is often used to assess the risk and efficiency of different investments. It's especially important in budgeting and capital investment decisions. Calculating the payback period is relatively straightforward. Let's break it down into steps. 1. Identify the initial investment. This is the total amount of money invested at the start. 2. Determine the annual cash flow. This is the money that the investment brings in each year. 3. Divide the initial investment by the annual cash flow. The result gives you the payback period in years. For example, if you invest $1,000 in a project that returns $250 per year, the payback period would be $1,000 divided by $250, which equals 4 years. The payback period is a critical tool in decision-making because it helps compare the attractiveness of different investments. It allows investors to assess risk. Generally, shorter payback periods are less risky. It's a simple and quick way to evaluate the efficiency of an investment. However, it's important to remember that the payback period doesn't consider the time value of money or the returns after the payback period. Let's apply the payback period concept to a couple of real-life examples. This section will demonstrate how the payback period is used in different scenarios, like business investments and personal finance decisions. And that's a wrap on the payback period. Remember, this tool is a handy way to evaluate investments, but it's just one of many factors to consider. I hope this video has shed light on the concept and its applications. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.